Now we'll prove formulas for multiple angles. We'll need to find the formula for sine inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. Now we'll take this expression as y. So it'll be sine inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. Now this formula, it looks like 2 sine theta into cos theta. So what we'll do is we'll let x as sine theta or theta is sine inverse of x. And we know that principal value range of sine inverse of x is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now we'll put x as sine theta. We'll get this y as sine inverse 2 sine theta into cos theta. So it'll be simply sine 2 theta. Now 2 theta, it will lie in the interval from minus pi to plus pi, which is not principal value range of sine inverse. So we simply cannot cancel sine inverse with sine. So what we'll do is we'll draw the graph of sine inverse of sine x. That is the graph of sine inverse of sine x. This is minus pi. This is minus pi by 2. It is pi by 2 and it is pi. Now between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, this is x. Between minus pi and minus pi by 2, it is minus x minus pi. And between pi by 2 and pi, it is minus x plus pi. Now in this interval from minus pi to plus pi, there is a change of definition at minus pi by 2 and there is a change of definition at plus pi by 2. So here we have to consider 3 separate cases. So we can write y equals, now this first interval when 2 theta lies between minus pi and minus pi by 2. So 2 theta, it lies between minus pi and minus pi by 2. Now in this interval definition is minus x minus pi. Now here x is 2 theta. So we'll get this as minus 2 theta minus pi. Now in the second interval, which is principal value range for sine inverse. So when 2 theta lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, it is simply x. So we can cancel sine inverse with sine. We'll get 2 theta. And this third interval, when 2 theta is greater than pi by 2 but less than or equal to pi, here definition is pi minus x. So it will be minus 2 theta plus pi. Now we'll replace theta with sine inverse of x. So we can write y equals minus 2 sine inverse of x minus pi when minus pi is less than equal to 2 sine inverse x is less than pi by 2. It'll be 2 sine inverse of x when 2 sine inverse of x lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, and it'll be minus 2 sine inverse of x plus pi when 2 sine inverse of x is greater than pi by 2 but less than equal to pi. Now we'll try and simplify this in terms of x. So what we'll do is we'll divide everything with 2. So we'll get minus pi by 2 is less than equal to sine inverse x is less than minus pi by 4. Now we'll take sine both sides. Now sine minus pi by 2 is minus 1 and this is x, and sine minus pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. So if x lies between minus 1 and minus 1 by root 2, then this expression is equal to minus 2 sine inverse x minus pi. Now here if we'll divide by 2, we'll get minus pi by 4 is less than equal to sine inverse x is less than equal to pi by 4. Now we'll take sine, we'll get minus 1 by root 2 is less than equal to x and is less than equal to 1 by root 2. So if x lies between minus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by root 2, in that case, we'll get this result as 2 sine inverse of x, and then here it will be pi by 4 and pi by 2. So pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and pi by 2 is 1. So if x lies between 1 by root 2 and 1, then in that case, this formula will be minus 2 sine inverse of x plus pi. Now this y is sine inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. Now we'll rearrange this formula, then we can simply write 2 sine inverse of x. It will be, now for this first part, we'll take the sine inverse here, so it will be minus pi minus sine inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square when x lies between minus 1 and minus 1 by root 2. Now for the second part, 2 sine inverse x, it is equal to sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. So it will be simply sine inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square when x lies between minus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by root 2. And this third one is when x lies between 1 by root 2 and 1. So here, if we'll take this 2 sine inverse x on the left hand side, then we'll get pi minus sine inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the formula for 2 sine inverse of x.